I'm going to show you a view of the lazy river at Signia Hilton Bonnet Creek in Orlando, Florida, right outside the Disney property. Hey there, you're listening to Jenna Loves Magic, where we chat things like tips for planning Disney World trips, including what to do and food to eat. If that sounds good to you, subscribe for more Disney vacation tips. Now let's get to it. So despite an issue with check-in and getting the right rooms, I did find the rooms at this resort to be beautiful, but in this video I'm going to focus on showing you the Signia Bonnet Creek lazy river and pools. This is the view from our hotel room. It was raining that day, so I didn't get a down on the ground shot, but this room definitely had a beautiful view of the pool, and some of Disney could be seen in the distance. Like I said, check out my other video that gives a room tour of the pool view at Bonnet Creek. Check out more videos and posts from Jenna Loves Magic if you are planning your Walt Disney World trip and want some tips and tricks. And if you're a foodie, make sure to visit me on my food channel, Sip Bite Go, because there you can get my recipe for smoked turkey legs that are basically a Disney copycat recipe. I'll teach you how to smoke them, how to bake them in the oven, or how to air fry turkey legs just like you'd get at Disney. That's all for you foodies there. Well, until next time, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you here next time, friend. Cheers!